Hi everyone, this is Susie. So today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite vegan products, and I have some lotions and some food. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with the ice cream. This is the Ben & Jerry's mint chocolate cookie, non-dairy. I'm almost done with it. Let's see if you can see. So you can see that there's like pieces of like Oreo cookies, it seems like. Oh my goodness, this is so good, you guys. If you haven't tried it, if you are a fan of mint chocolate, my goodness, this is delicious. I love it. So these are the Morning Star Farms. These are the chicken strips. This is what they look like. They looks like they're like lightly seasoned. And oh my goodness. I think this is the best chicken strips that I have tried so far. So you can put them like over your salad, or the way that I made them was in a chipotle sauce that I plan on making soon for you guys, a recipe. So you get these obviously in the freezer section, and I buy these at Jewel, Osco, and I think Target also carries them. I'm not totally positive, but I think they do carry these, and I really like them. These are the chicken nuggets, which is this one right here. If you can see this. And then these are the vegetizers, the pizza bites. So on the inside, you can see it looks like a pizza. It tastes like a pizza. They're so good. And you just put these in the oven for, it tells you on the back, you know, for how long. You just put them in the oven and they're ready to go. And this one is the buffalo wings, which is this one right here. And oh my goodness. These are not super spicy. So what I do is I usually add some buffalo sauce. Once they're done, I just either pour it on top or I put it on the side and I just dip it into the sauce. And also when I make these little appetizers, I like making the hot for food, the recipe that they have for the ranch dressing. They have it with their buffalo, the cauliflower burgers that they make. That is delicious. That recipe is delicious. So in the burger, they put a ranch dressing sauce, and that is a recipe that I use to make this. And it tastes so good, you guys. It's really, really good. And this is the next product. These are the artisan crackers that I recently discovered. And they have these at Whole Foods. They also sell them at Fresh Thyme Farmers Market if you live here in Chicago. And I like these because they're not sweet. They don't have any sugar. I don't like the crackers that have sugar in them. These are like a little salty and they're really crisp. So I just want you to see how crisp they are. And they are pretty sturdy. Like they won't just fall apart on you. And I really like them. They have also like rosemary flavor, I think. And I think one more if I'm not mistaken. So I think they have like 2 or 3 flavors if you don't like the plain ones. If you want, something else added to them. And this is the next product that I want to share with you guys. My friend got this for me, and I think she said she got it at Amazon. I have not seen this in the store anywhere, so you can go ahead and order these if you like. These are beef nut. They're little strips. Let's see if you can see this. Can you see that? Little pieces. These tiny little pieces. They look like pieces of meat. And I made carne con chile the other day with this, and OMG, was this good. It even smells like a little bit like beef, like when you smell the bag. It has that smell. It's not like the soy curls where you don't smell like anything. It doesn't smell like chicken or beef or anything. These actually do. So they're already flavored for you, so you don't really have to add much to it. And you can just, hydrate them in hot water. It tells you in the back what to do. And then after that, you can once they have soaked all the water in, you can add a little bit of oil to your little pan or pot, and you can fry that until it gets like really nice and crispy. And then you can add like a sauce or add it to anything that you like, okay? And I think I forgot to mention that these are made of soy, just so you know. So my same friend recommended this, I think it's called Bobo's, the coconut almond chocolate chip oat bar. This one is, if you haven't tried it yet, it's really good. They have also different flavors, but since I like chocolate and coconut, this is, I bit into it right now, as you can see. It's really dense. It's not like fluffy. It's really, really dense. So if you eat the whole thing, I think you'll feel pretty full. Like, you know, if you're out and about and you just want to carry one of these bars, they're not super sweet. Even though it has chocolate, it's not super sweet. I think that the sweetness is perfect. I love the combination of the flavors. So I really, really do recommend this one also. And I do get these at Whole Foods as well. And when I was at the register, I came across these babies right here. So I figured I would buy them and give them a try. And OMG, I'm so glad I bought them. These are the vegan cinnamon roll Blondie. It's a Graystone Bakery. Not all of their products are vegan, so you just have to make sure it says vegan on the top. And this is what this one looks like. And it's super moist. Oh my goodness. This one just melts in your mouth. It almost tastes like churros. So if you like churros, I think you'll like that one. And then this one is the birthday cake Blondie. Also, it's the vegan one. And this is what it looks like. And oh my goodness. These remind me of, if you ever went to a Mexican bakery, they have these like big cookies with the colored sprinkles on top. I used to love those things. So if you like those and you're looking for something similar, I think these are pretty close to that flavor. So I hope you guys like those too. And my same friend got me this tea, which is Vitaco, unique Colombian tea, it says here. And this one is guayaba and guanabana. These are the flavors of this tea, and they come in these little packages right here. I'm gonna open it so you can see it. They come like this, and oh my goodness, just the smell. If you like guayaba and guanabana, this tea is so delicious. This was given to her as a gift, so I don't know where you can find them, but I will leave the website just in case you want to get some. This is so good. Oh, I love any type of like fruity teas. I love. So I think you guys like this. You will like this if you like the flavor of guanabana and guayaba together, even apart. You know, if you like those flavors, I think you'll really like this. And my same friend got me this lotion, and this one, I think she gets it like Marshall's or TJ Maxx, I think. But I believe that Amazon also carries this. Like you could look it up on Amazon and get it too. This one has like, it says it has like rosemary and apple and other flavors in there. So just so you can see. This one is, oops. I think it is more on the like really creamy, silky, it's not like watery at all. This is pretty thick lotion, and oh my goodness, I just love the smell. I love the smell of this lotion. It leaves your skin so soft and smelling delicious. I love putting this on before I go to bed, and then I sleep with my hands close to my face so that I can smell it as I fall asleep because it smells so good. I know they have other scents, but this has been my favorite. And this line right here, it is Unfiltered by Raw Sugar. It's the rose water and cucumber scent. These I only saw them at some Targets, but the other day that I went, they had them on like clearance, so I don't know if they're getting rid of the line or what, but I'm hoping that you can still find them somewhere else. They are vegan and cruelty free. And if you like rose water and cucumber, if you like those scents, I think you'll like this. Even though it was like an odd combination, I'm like, really? Rosewater and cucumber? I love cucumber. I'll buy anything cucumber because it's so fresh. So this combination, oh my goodness. It is so wonderful. Whoever came up with it, thumbs up, because I love it. And it's also the hand cream is also really nice, and it's not super thick or, you know, oily or anything. My hands look a little oily, but they always look like that when I put lotion on first, but then they kind of soak in. And then they have the body butter, and they have the shower gel. I'm not sure if they have like other, I think they have like a spray or something like that. I'm not sure, but I know they have a couple more things. So if you can find these, I totally recommend them. I absolutely love this. And this is the Happy Day Cream. I also get this at Whole Foods, and it is $19.99. And I really like it because it has like also like a really fresh, like clean and fresh scent to it. Let me see. I don't know if you could see it. It's not super thick, but it leaves your skin feeling like really silky and not like really heavy. It's not heavy, but it's not light either, because right now in the winter you do need a little bit something that's pretty moisturizing, and this one feels like it's like perfectly in the middle. It's not super thick, but it's not thin. And this one has citrus and chamomile. I think that's why it smells so good. Like really like fresh and just like very soft scent. It's not like overpowering at all, but it's just, I really like this lotion, so I totally recommend it. Oops, there you go. So these two I get at Fresh Thyme Farmers Market. I don't remember if Whole Foods sells them or not, but again, you can look it up. I'll leave the link in case you want to look for it. This one is the Lavender Mint, and this one is Almond Vanilla. Oh my goodness. Oh, I just absolutely love this. If you like almond and vanilla together, I think you're going to like this one. The Lavender Mint is also like a unique combination. I hadn't smelled anything with that combination. And it's like so fresh. Oops, it's kind of messy. It's like, I don't know if you can see. So it's really moisturizing. It's not thin at all. It's just like the perfect. It's like right in the middle. And the smell, you can just smell the mint and the lavender. Oh my goodness. I just love these lotions. Both of them, I absolutely love them. And last but not least is the Pacifica Tahitian Gardenia, something like that. It's made with shea and mango butters. It's vegan and cruelty free. All of the ones that I've given you are vegan and cruelty free. And this is the same scent of my perfume that I had showed you guys one time, the little like roll, like the roll perfume, roll on. That's what it's called. Oh my goodness. I love this. I love this. I found the lotion. I didn't know they had the lotion. So I got this at Whole Foods. I'm pretty sure that I got this at Whole Foods. And the smell of this, oh my goodness, it's just amazing. If you like gardenia, I don't know how you say it in English, gardenia. If you like the smell of gardenia, oh my God, this one, it just smells like pure flower. It is so amazing. Oh, and it's also, you know, pretty moisturizing. It's not thin at all. So it's not like watery. It's like really nice and thick and moisturizing, and it smells delicious. And I love the colors, even the packaging. I just love the green with, you know, it's so cute. I love it. So I think that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.